Welcome to Tennessee's At Home Learning Series for Math. Today's lesson is for all of our first graders out there, although anyone is more than welcome to tune in. Today's lesson is the fourth in our series. I am Miss Sarah, and I'm a first grade teacher at Baxter Primary School in the Putnam County School System. I'm so excited that I get to be your teacher again today. Welcome to our virtual classroom. Today, we will be working with addition strategies in math. Before we get started, to participate fully in today's lesson, you are going to need paper and a regular pencil. You're also going to need a surface to write on, like a table. Okay, let's begin. Today, we are going to look at addition strategies and see how they relate to each other. I'm going to place 10 counters on the table. I want you to count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counters. You did such a great job. Now, close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes. No peeking. Okay. You can open your eyes now. I have put 1 or more counters in my hand. Who can use their X-ray vision and tell me how many counters are in my hand? Those are some really good guesses. Write down your guess on your piece of paper and we'll come back to it later. How can we know for sure how many are in my hand without me just showing you? Any more ideas? Those are all wonderful ideas. Let's draw a number bond and see if that helps us figuring out how many are in my hand. Can you draw a number bond with me? For our number bonds today, we will be using squares or rectangles as our parts in our whole. This will be our whole. It'll be our biggest squares on our number bond today. Do you have your number bond drawn? Great. Now, how many counters did we start with? That's right, we started with 10. So where on our number bond would the number 10 go? Right, we're going to put it in our biggest square, which is our whole. Did you put the number 10 in your whole? Way to go. How many counters were left on the table when I took some away? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 counters left when I took some away. So, where will 9 go on our number bond? Right, it can go in either of the smaller squares. I'm going to choose to put my 9 here, but you can put your 9 in either of the parts. Did you get your 9 did you get your 9 written into one of the parts? Great job. But what goes into the last square? That's the big question, right? So, how many counters were in my hand? How did you figure that out? Can you help me? Did I hear someone say we can count on using our fingers? Why, yes, we can. But where do we start? Excellent. Let's start with the number 9. Can you point to the 9 that you drew in your number bond? Now, let's count with our other hand. I want you to shout out, "Stop!" when I need to stop. Remember, we're trying to make it to 10. 9, 10. Wait, stop already? Hey, you're right. We're already there. So, how many counters do I have in my hand? Only one? Let's see. You were right. One counter. So, where will I put the number 1 on my number bond? In the leftover part. Go ahead and put your 1 in your other part while I do mine. That was so much fun. Thank you for helping me figure out how to use my number bond. Now, let's continue practicing counting on with another example. Before we do that, you did such an excellent job. Go ahead and stand up and jump up and down 10 times. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and read this problem together. I would love it if you read along with me. Emma and her sister Johanna each got books from the library. Emma got 4 books. They got 9 books altogether. How many books did Johanna get? Let's draw and label a number bond to show the part of the books Emma took out and the part that Johanna took out. Can you draw a number bond with me? Whole, part, part. Ready? How many books did they get all together? Right. They got 9 books altogether, and I know that that's true because I can find that information in our story. They got 9 books all together. So where will I put the 9? Right. We will put the 9 in this top square because we know by looking at our number bond that this square is our whole. That is the number they had all together. Go ahead, put 9 in the hole of your number bond. Excellent. Okay, how many books did Emma get from the library? 4? Yes, she got 4 books from the library, and I can find that again in my story problem. Emma got 4 books. Where will I put the number 4? Absolutely. I get to pick which part I want to put the 4 in. I'm going to choose to put my number 4 here. Now, just to make sure that I don't get my information mixed up, I'm going to put a small capital E in the part, just to help me remember that Emma, that's what the E stands for, got 4 books from the library. Can you put a capital E in your part with the number 4? Go ahead. We can use the counting on strategy to help us find how many books Johanna got from the library. We're going to start at the part that we know and count on until we reach our whole. So we will start at the number 4 and count to 9 for this problem. Let's count on from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did we have to add to 4 to give us 9? 5. Yes, we counted 5 more to get to 9. So how many books did Johanna have? 5? Yes, you are correct. Johanna has 5 books from the library. We're going to write the number 5 in our other part and we will label it with a J for Johanna, like this. Did you put the number 5 in the letter J in the other part? Excellent. You guys did a great job using the counting on strategy. I think we have time to do one more problem. Go ahead and draw your number bond to get ready. I need to make sure I have my whole and my 2 parts. Are you ready? All right, let's read this problem together. You are more than welcome to read with me if you would like. Some ducks were swimming in a pond. 3 more ducks swam up. Now there are 7 ducks. How many ducks were originally in the pond? Okay, I'm going to let you try first. I want you to think about the numbers in the problem and where they need to go in your number bond. I want you to fill in your number bond. Also, think about the strategy that you will use to find the answer. And I want you to put that in your number bond too. I'm going to wait a couple of minutes to let you think through that problem and fill in your number bond. You're doing great. You have plenty of time to finish if you haven't done so already. Okay. What number did you put first into your number bond? Wait, I hear 7. Yes, 7 is one of the numbers. So where does 7 go on your number bond? That's right. There are 7 ducks all together. So we know that that is our whole. So we will put it in our whole. Do you see another number in our story problem? I heard someone say 3. That's right. 3 more ducks joined. And where do I put the number 3? That's right. We will put it in one of our parts. Remember, You can pick which one you want to put it in. Now, what was your answer? Go ahead, shout it out. 4? That's right. There were 4 ducks. Let's go ahead and use the counting on strategy just to make sure that we're all right. What number will I start at? Right, we'll start at the number 3. Where will I stop? Yes, we'll stop at the number 7. Let's try that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we have to count? That's right. We had to count 4. And what was your answer? Right, 4 ducks. So we will put the number 4 in our other part. Does your number bond have 7 in the whole and 4 and 3 in your parts? I'm so proud of you. I want you to stand up and I want you to quack like a duck 7 times. Great job, everybody. Thank you so much for helping me use my number bonds to solve these problems. Now it's your turn to try some of these on your own. I'm going to read them for you now, and you can solve them on your own after the show. Nine little bears went to play in the forest. 2 bears wanted to play tag. The other bears wanted to play hide and seek. How many bears wanted to play hide and seek? Remember, think about the problem. Think about the numbers that are in your problem, where they need to go on your number bond. Fill in those numbers, and then think about the strategy that you will use to find your missing number. Let's look at the next one. 8 bears were fishing for dinner. 5 bears had been fishing all day. The rest of the bears came after lunch. How many bears came after lunch? Think about the numbers in your problem and where they will go on your number bond and the strategy that you will use to find your missing number. And our last one. Rich bought 6 cans of soda on Monday. He bought some more on Tuesday. Now he has 9 cans of soda. How many cans did Rich buy on Tuesday? Think about the numbers in your problem and where they belong on your number bond. Put them there, and then use your strategy to find that missing number. Boys and girls, I enjoyed doing some more math with you today. Thank you again for allowing me to come into your home. I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson with Tennessee's At Home Learning Series. See you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
What's up, all you crazy Tennesseans? My name is Coach Wood. I'm the PE teacher at Hickson Elementary in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's do a little PE workout, all right? I got 2 rolls of toilet paper, all right? If you want to grab some, you grab some too. Let's wiggle out real quick. You've been doing work all day. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We'll get it all out. Don't drop the toilet paper. Don't ruin the toilet paper. Super simple, all right? Woo! All right, first I'm going to do some arm circles. Nice and easy. Nothing crazy, folks. I'm just going forward. I'm going backwards. I'm going forward. I'm going backwards. Nice. Shake it out. You're doing great. You're doing great. Let's do big arm circles. Woo! Woo! Look at me go. Mom, look at me go. Woo! Man, just working out with some toilet paper. Let's go backwards. Ready? Nice and easy. Nothing crazy. Don't hurt yourself. All right? We're getting fit over here. What you doing? Working out with toilet paper? That's right, Mom. I'm working out with toilet paper. Woo! All right. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. You're doing great. All right. Now what we're going to do, hold your toilet paper out just like this. All right. Put it at your shoulders. We're going to squat, press. Whoa, what you doing, Coach Wood? Let's do it again. Squat, press. Squat, press. Nice and easy. Notice my knees are going out and I'm dropping low. All right? Nothing crazy. Just doing some squats in my garage. Living life. Woo! Here we go. All right, now we're going to get a little crazy. Whoa, what was that? What you doing, Coach? Oh, nothing. I'm just working out with some toilet paper. Is that toilet paper in your hand? Yes, ma'am. It is. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to drop it. Kids, just pretend like it's a bunch of wads of cash in your hand. Do not drop it or ruin it or let anyone take it. And also don't hoard it. That's not good either. Woo! All right. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. You guys did great. Don't forget, if you want more PE videos, go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/Coach Wood. Peace.